So those who follow along probably know we've just spent 3 months parked up working, and now it's time to get ready to hit the road and travel more. And I've had some questions about what do you mean to get ready to hit the road? Like, you live in motorhome, how much more ready do you need to be? Well, when we park up, all the toys come out. You know, the fishing rods come out, the paddleboard comes out, the barbecue comes out, the tools come out to fix things. So then it's all got to be packed away again. And the longer we're parked up, the worse this generally is. But for me, it's also a big one this year because we're now packing without an alley. So I've got space where some of her stuff used to be, and I've still got some of her stuff in storage. So we're having a bit of a bus reshuffle with our packing as well. But I'll walk you through as I start doing a few things over the next day or so. I'll put it all together in a little montage here, and you can see what it's like to pack up the bus after we've been parked for a while. Now, one of the first things I always do is my underbed storage. So I'll try to do this one-handed. It's probably not super easy. But our queen bed is on gas struts, as you can see. And under here is like spare bedding, stock for market days, winter clothes and good clothes, sporting gear, hiking bags, just stuff we don't think we're going to need. Generally, like, we try to only get under here every few weeks. So I am going to put away some of my working clothes and get out some more sort of travel-y beach clothes. And so that's under the bed. So that's one of the first things I do. One of the second things I do is start charging everything. So I've got Mim's tracker and our security cameras, or one thereof. I start charging, make sure all the Makita batteries are charged up. To go in, and then I'm just rubbing it on into the timber. And I do that both sides of my bus, and then through the day, make sure we get in all the nooks and crannies. Through the day, I'll just come back and buff that with a soft cloth, and I'll just keep buffing it until it's all nicely absorbed and the grains in the timber are all filled up. And that also helps keep the benches food safe. Oh,